Good morning, boys and girls, and happy silly Dr. Seuss Celebration Day. My name is Claire Huff, and I serve as the Assistant Director of Education at Mississippi Children's Museum here in Meridian. And we are going to make a Dr. Seuss hat today out of some items that we have at home. One of my favorite accessories is a cat in the hat. So today we're going to take a brown paper bag that we get at the grocery store. You can use 2 sheets of construction paper. I chose red and white because that's the way the cat in the hat looks. But you can choose any items that you have at home. If you would rather use feathers and stickers and pom-poms, or if you would rather use markers, you can certainly create your own hat. So today we're going to take our 2 sheets of paper and we're going to fold them. I call this hot dog style. So we're going to fold it down the center, and then we're going to take half, and moms and dads might have to help, or grandmas and grandpas. And we're going to fold it in halfway, and then we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side and fold it in again. So what you have are 4 straight lines that we're going to cut in order to have our stripes for our hat. And it's always great to practice your cutting. It's a great fine motor skill. So we have a white stripe and a red stripe. And we're just going to start like I did on this hat. I chose the red stripe to begin with. And so I'm going to use a glue stick and just put a straight line of glue. Just a little dab will do. And put it at the top of well, really it's the bottom of the paper bag, but it's going to be the top of my hat. It's where that bottom portion, the bottom of the bag is. I'm going to put a white stripe next. And then I'm going to put another red stripe. And then I'm going to add a white stripe. And then finally, I'm going to add my last red stripe. And you'll see that I do have some extra stripes, and you're going to see in a moment what I do with my extra stripes. But you can certainly create whatever kind of hat you would like to. So I now have all of my stripes, and I'm going to take that last red stripe and fold it in half, which gives me another fold right in the middle, and I'm going to cut that, and then I'm going to glue it on each side just to give me a little bit of a brim to this hat. A little dab of glue, a little dab over here. And then we take our bag and we open it up, and we're going to roll our bag all the way around just a little bit, and then you keep rolling, and you keep rolling, and you keep rolling, and you end up with a Dr. Seuss hat that you can wear today to celebrate Dr. Seuss. So here's my hat that I made. Happy silly Dr. Seuss Day!